Hi guys! This is so awkward.
Hi. Welcome to my mental therapy. You're Kathy.
You're Steve.
There you go, introduction done.
This is so awkward. Yeah, we're having KFC and of course because we're Filipinos, so when you're having KFC in Philippines you need to have rice. Yeah, he's Steve, I'm Kathy, and this is pickle. It's not allowed to be on the table, so you're gonna hear poop prints on the floor.
Right,
he's gonna be pacing about.
You're sitting down there, you go.
Yeah.
Give me.
Anyway, the workman is hungry now, so we're gonna let him eat. That's alright, darling, you can start. Since this is going to be our first video, we're gonna have to just talk through what they, So yeah.
Yes.
We'll just talk it through as we go along. I'm hungry as well.
This is what we call a mukbang. Did I say that right?
What did you say?
Mukbang.
Yeah. This is really awkward because we haven't done this before.
It's
But
mukbang,
we just thought,
but I'm not Korean.
well, we just thought I'm not Korean either. But we thought just for the fun side of it, this is the lighter way of introducing ourselves really. Have something to eat and have a little chat. And hold on, before that, do you want some ketchup?
Whoa.
Do you want some ketchup?
Yes, please.
Yeah. You didn't get ketchup from them, did you?
No.
Yeah, we've decided to have KFC for our first video because this is our guilty pleasure whenever we're feeling a bit low. not low, but
If we get any lower, we'll be on the floor.
anyway, I'm gonna have spicy. Excuse you.
Morrison squeezy bottle.
We have some 4 of these spicy chicken wings for oopsie daisy. Can't finish what I'm saying now. Yeah, we have 4 spicy chicken wings, 4 regular chicken pieces, and your favorite. What is this? Chicken strips.
Filet.
Fillet.
Fillet, that's the one.
Filet. Sorry. In America, they call it filet, and I think even in Philippines. But here in Britain, we say it fillet. I need to have rice in my KFC. Sorry.
Typical Filipino.
This is a little crispy because we put it back in the oven just to crispy up a little bit.
Because by the time I drove here from KFC,
How many minutes did it take you?
what, to drive here?
Did you go to the same place?
Yeah,
Oh,
London Road.
I have to say that.
And I've been everywhere today.
Yeah.
My first day of my new job.
Where did you go? All over the country? Not quite.
I've been to Scunthorpe.
Where?
Scunthorpe,
What is that?
Grimsby.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Did you ring
No, 'cause I haven't got his number. What's his name?
Gobi? What was his name? Gobi.
Govey. No, because my phone's broken, so I haven't got his number on the phone I'm using. And then we drove down to Mansfield, and then we drove down to Peterborough, or up. 3 drops, 2 collections, and we did 504 kilometres.
What's this in miles?
Check back later for that, yeah. It's the right one.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, thoroughly.
That's good.
And depending on what jobs I'm on, and depending what vehicle I get, I turn up, my lorry's already loaded, ready for me. The night shift load lorries. So we drivers turn up in the morning, lorry load, you do your checks, sort your paperwork out, and you're away.
That's good.
A few incidents on the way, thankfully not involving myself.
You were not by yourself though, were you?
No, I had
My favourite. Oh look!
ow.
It's so crispy. And I put it back in the oven.
Yeah.
Chicken wings. Definitely a favourite.
Anyway. Somebody cut in front of a lorry today.
Your lorry.
Not my lorry, no. In front of an Arctic lorry. And we ended up embedded in the front bumper.
I'm going to move a little bit. It's fine.
Are we that close, darling?
Sorry. What did you say? Ended up where?
Embedded in his front bumper. Lorry like that.
Oh my
Highway
God.
like that.
Really?
He overtook the lorry and cut in too quick. Clipped the lorry.
Was anyone hurt?
There was an ambulance there, but there was a lot of police.
Or did you see it? Were you behind it or?
No, we were driving past.
Oh.
It's on the motorway. When you overtake a lorry, wait till you get past it before you pull in.
This is my tummy.
This is the bit when I burn my fingers.
Yeah. By the way, as we were saying earlier, tell them what they could expect from our channel.
Lots of goodness.
Lots of eating.
Cooking plus reviews. Views and reviews. Hence the name What We Think. What we think of the products. Which we will be
A
showing.
little bit of vlogging, obviously, as well. Cooking and shopping on a budget. That's going to be a challenge. Hey?
Me shop. I'm not the only guy out there like that. I go into the
I'm not saying you're
supermarket.
the only one.
I go into the supermarket for 3 things and come out with 10.
Guarantee.
It's called, oh my god, that looks really good, I'll have one of those.
You know what they say? They say if you make a list, then you don't get tempted to.
Nah, list don't work with me.
It doesn't work with
Because
them.
there's always something in that store that's not on my list.
And then you realise, oh, I should have put that in my list.
Biscuits, cookies, cakes. You never know when they're going to throw a really good.
Why you keep leaning towards me?
Somebody might throw in an extra nice double cream pie. Okay. You're very noisy, madam. Crunching
It's
like that.
crunchy. It's crunchy only because when he came in, I put it straight in the oven. Otherwise, it's not at all as crispy as like what you get in Asia, in Philippines, certainly.
Oops.
Yeah, maybe when we finish, we will introduce you officially to our fur baby.
Fur baby. Whereas now, scrounging chips. There you go, buddy.
If I'm to listen to him, he would have had a high chair by now for that dog.
Yeah.
Can't. Do you find that a bit wonky? Don't stretch your neck, otherwise you won't be seen anymore.
Hello. Goodbye.
Oh yeah, and we'll also do a little bit of travel vlogging all around UK at least. We'll share with you what
Could take you to Grimsby. We could do the fish and chip shops.
yeah, we're gonna do a lot of food. Eh? We'll introduce you to the traditional English food. Is that your favourite food? Traditional English food?
I wouldn't say it's my favourite. It's what I'm used to and what I like, certain things. But my favourite foods are usually foreign foods.
Right.
Caldereta.
Preferably Mama's caldereta, not mine.
Adobo, which I call chicken manok adobo. So chicken manok.
Mm-hmm.
What did you say about the caldereta? Your mum's is better.
No, according to you, you prefer Mama's caldereta. What's my rice going all over the place? If I didn't put it in the oven, it's not going to be this crispy. Oh yeah, we're also going to try Jollibee in London, newly opened Jollibee. Right?
Yep.
We're going to do a day trip to do that. And Danny and Jet are coming. No fries for Danny. So what did you have for lunch today?
Took my lunch in my lunchbox. Eh?
But I thought you didn't eat all of it.
No. I had some of my Scotch pie and one of my rolls.
Well, you didn't have time?
No, just a bit mad.
What in here?
We took short breaks.
It's a shame you can't get a bucket of all spicy pieces at night in KFC here.
Yeah, never understood that. You go to Asia, you can get a spicy bucket. Spicy different things.
I don't know now because I've not been back to Philippines for how many years, darling?
5 years? 4 years? 5 years?
5 years this summer,
Last time you went on your own, eh?
2013. Isn't it? Or 14? I think 14, so about 4 years. But yeah, I know in Philippines you could order a bucket of all spicy if you wish. I don't know now if you can't, if you're allowed to do that, but
Which I prefer.
I know. A couple of years ago, you can here, but you can only have half and then half regular.
Yeah, more than a couple of years ago. I know.
So you enjoying eating with your fingers only, are you? Why are we wearing both dark clothes?
You're dark people.
Pardon me. Banana.
Give me that, give me that, give me that banana. I can't help it, just have to break into song occasionally.
I want more rice.
Just not all of my songs.
Are you not having the spicy one?
No, you can have the spicy one.
Okay. Why are you not eating that much? Lentil chicken. Basically, this channel would be a lifestyle, right? We'll just share with you bits of how we go about on a day-to-day basis. And along the way, if you have any suggestions that you'd like us to do, we might actually consider, depending on...
Send them in.
Sorry?
Send them in.
Send them in. Send your suggestion. You're brave. Yeah, also, I know I am Filipino and he's Bicolano. I'm from Bicol and he's honorary Bicolano. What are you? You're from Bicol?
I'm a Bicolano from Guernsey.
If you're from Bicol, what are you? What do you call yourself? You forgot.
Aragon.
Not it's oo.
Aragon.
That's the one. Yeah, I still speak Bicol pretty much. Quite fluent.
I still speak Guernsey.
Tagalog. Guernsey is English anyway.
British.
No, English language.
Yeah.
You don't speak the patois.
No.
What patois do you know?
Just the naughty words.
You don't know a la passion. That's not naughty. Yeah, I speak Tagalog. It's never learned Tagalog. I think it's just too lazy to learn really, but our friend Dan is so fluent with Tagalog. Like if I ask him, "Hi Dan, how are you?" and then he'll speak to me in Tagalog, it's really quite hard. Hello, mabuti.
I'm a mabuti.
No, mabuti. That's mabuti. That's a little bit naughty. What are you talking about there, booty?
Guapo.
Who's guapo?
Moi. Can I keep
As much as possible, we're going to be, but most of the time it's got to be, English. We have to speak English in this channel. Every now and again, I'm sure I will be speaking Tagalog for sure, especially if there are Filipinos around. But because of, obviously, because I'm here. And the fur baby don't understand Tagalog.
You right, fur baby?
The baby just understands English, obviously. Okay, can you see my airport? Your airport is bigger than mine.
Airport?
Yeah, landing. Yeah, what else? What else did we say we're gonna say? What? Oh,
Welcome back.
thank you.
Part 2.
What was that you put there? Sorry. It's a crispy bit.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Not for me.
Yeah, go on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen to that. ASMR. You couldn't get
I get that one.
that one. ASMR. What the hell is ASMR?
Oh. I love that. That's my last one.
Mind you, you had 3 pieces of chicken and all that. It's alright. You're allowed to eat it.
Hello. Yes, I know you're there.
So what else? As you would say, we'll just wing it. Huh?
Oh, you can't be winging it.
I'll also be doing makeup.
Not on me.
Oh yes, we will. You can do my makeup. You know, this is such a challenge that they do these days. You do my makeup, now I'll do yours. Can we do that?
I think my name is Patrick Starr.
You love Patrick Starr, don't you?
Mad.
I think this is a definition of rags to riches. Right?
Yeah. You've done well.
Have you heard about him before I showed you his
Not until you showed him.
No?
No.
I've heard about him on Instagram, but I didn't really take notice of it until, when was that? I think until, yeah, I've seen that one, and then since then I didn't realize. I've heard that he's Filipino, but I didn't realize he really is a Filipino. So when I saw that, I started watching his videos on YouTube. And I thought it's going to be one of those, you know, Filipino Americans or Filipino Europeans that they don't acknowledge their, you know, Filipino heritage. But he's actually very
He's very patriotic.
patriotic, and he's very vocal about, you know, him being Filipino. I didn't realize that, so I didn't take notice.
Definitely is.
So yeah, it's quite nice. Mind you, I think most Filipinos are quite patriotic.
Yeah, wherever you go.
Yeah.
Some people you say where you're from, they're not always happy to say where they're from, but Filipinos
Yeah,
are
that's
always
right.
happy to say, I'm from Philippines.
Yeah, that's true.
Mr. Steve. Huh?
That's how his Filipino staff used to call him, Mr. Steve.
Mr. Steve.
Yeah.
You?
I just knew your
I have
name.
muscles, I just hide them underneath my jumper.
You didn't. You weren't wearing jumper then.
No, I had my polo shirt on.
Yeah. But you were very slim.
I still am, darling.
Not in the middle part though. These days.
Can't see the middle bit.
All the chicken adobo that is. But yeah, I think this is gonna be my last. I can't have that anymore. You know what I had? All the wings. The 4 spicy wings and 1 regular wing.
You said you were winging it.
Yeah. We did say we're going to wing it.
She winged it, I legged it.
I don't think not everybody could relate to that.
I had some breast as well.
Did you? I think you had 2.
2 breasts is good.
Anyway, as we were talking about, what were we talking about?
She loves my sense of humour, really.
Sometimes.
It's just a bit naughty sometimes. You say
Oh.
my sense of humour is a little naughty sometimes?
I didn't say that. Did I?
No, do you think it's a little bit naughty sometimes?
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
not sometimes.
Me.
3/4. 3/4 of the time you are.
Ooh. I'm full. I think I'm full tank.
Oh, yeah?
Full. Dude.
You need to introduce the boy.
I have to just...
Then we can stop. Wash your hands first.
Mister.
Somebody wants to meet you guys.
You ready to say hello to everybody? Go, hello!
Say hi! My name is Pickle. Say hi to Mama Lola. Come this way a little bit, darling. Come this way a little bit.
Do. Hello.
You want some food?
Hello, my name's Pickle.
Right, it's not normally allowed to have food from the table, but as a treat, that's it. Just one. Crispy, eh?
God, flipping. Hey, what do you like, dude?
Right, say bye bye now. Thank you for watching, guys. Say thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you around. Now, future vlogs,
Here we go.
future mukbang, and future cookbang. Is that a word?
No, but you just made it up. So, have a word with the English dictionary. Maybe they'll, the Oxford English Dictionary, maybe they'll
Actually-
consider putting it in next year.
No, mukbang is not an English word anyway. I think it's a Korean word. Anyway, just say bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.
Mukbang.
We'll see you around.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget, keep smiling. And be kind.
Be nice to each other. Bye-bye.
Bye.